bring on a church, it's our friend. It's in the summer, be out to be player in here. Why they at our budget? When you can't start with your daughter, your sign about the daughter, Costa, Nate, Ogum. And my sister, the first time one year now.
Technical assistant. Dalat.
Dalat.
You said it. Sharif Mohammed. Freddy Kasari. Michael Che Jamana. Baba Yahaya. Japon. Julius Ofori. Chereku, Sharif Man, Bernard Somoa, Sadakado, Hussein Isaaku, Peter Aqua, Andrews in team menu.
Yahaya, also see a center back. Yahaya, welcome to Kumasi Asante
Kalo Watara. Nuruddin. Mohammed.
United. And of course, our golden maestro, Alex and of course, from Bekum Chelsea, please
Samuel Asamoah. From Nana Benin. Rich, go ahead. Put your hand up. Asante Kotoko Unveiling. So this is the unveiling of Asante Kotoko players. All the players are here plus the coach, and they are greeting the fans at the Yahaya Sports Stadium. So they are showing love and they are receiving applause from the fans. Arewa bro. Chaz, Zoba kana mukama place na lekyo.
Say official, money blame. Good evening, once again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Ogum Sports Stadium. It's the first game of the 2023-2024.
Okay. I stand here good. Yeah. Photographs you take away from.
The more they gain the match sharpness. I mean, training is different from playing games. If you look at both sides, I don't know where you were seated. Those of us who were on the touchline, you could see from both teams that everybody was exhausted, even though everybody had a good preseason. So it tells you that preseason games are different from league games. So I'm sure the sharpness will come, and I think maybe that one will answer both questions that you asked in terms of. But the key thing about defending is that the moment you are able to win the first ball, you shut your lines. But then if you win the first ball and you don't shut your lines, and the opponent wins the second ball, the disorganization, because you are now not on the same line, one person will play somebody on, and it's all about decisions and it's all about decisions, and decisions come from quick thinking. So I'm sure as we play more games, as we watch the videos, and then we do the analysis, I'm sure these things will come. When players see themselves in an error position or error perspective, and they accept it, I'm sure mentally they will be able to work on it, and then practically to work on it.